Very happy to announce our first batch at Vidhya Peeth Academy Coimbatore for CMA final December 2024 exams. To start with, we'll be having your CFR and SFM classes. It will be morning and evening classes for 34 days each. CFR will be having extra days for part of the subject later on. Then we'll be having your IDT classes and corporate and economic laws. That would be full day regular classes. Finally, followed by your direct tax and international taxation, which would be for this attempt fast track course covering only selected important topics having 50 to 60 marks weightage for about 6 to 7 days. As always, we are going to give you combo offers if you select 2 or more subjects, and a very special mentioning that if at all you guys register for all the subjects on or before 25th of May, we are going to give you deep discount, the details of which was mentioned in front of your screen. Kindly share with your friends. Do register. Thank you.